Happy New Year, Gemini. You're the last reading I'm going to do today because my voice sounds atrocious. I'm really sick. Been sick for a couple of days, just keeps getting worse, but we're trying to get this channel right. So I'm not going to do too much rambling here at the beginning. We're going to go ahead and jump into your January love reading. Oh, okay. No, I could tell when I got it. I just dropped it. Let's see. Gemini. What is going on with you in the month of January 2020? What's going on with my Geminis? What's going on? Sorry, that mouth is open. My nose is stuffed up. Okay. Okay, Geminis, I think for a lot of you, you're realizing that I feel like for a lot of you, you're realizing that you might be just trying too hard to find somebody. Like, you're looking for love so much that you're, like, clinging to people. When you should really just relax. I feel like you want to relax, but as soon as somebody gets in your life, you just want to, like, cling to them. You're definitely ready to find somebody. Well, I can't for sure say that you're, like, mentally ready, but, like, emotionally, you feel like you are ready to find a partner. Let's see. The person coming towards you. The person coming towards you, the ball's in their court, because they don't know what they want. They're definitely confused. So they're just kind of going with the flow of y'all's friendship, whatever. I don't think you really hear from this person too much. They're really quiet. Very quiet. Trying to figure out what they need to do. Yeah, to build this family. I think this person wants to offer you a couple of... They're just real quiet. You might be dealing with somebody who's real shy. And they just want to make sure that they do it right. That's what I'm feeling like. Like, in the time they spend alone, they realize they really want a family. I don't think this person really stresses it. But once they meet you, they're like, or just whenever they're around you. It's like, almost like you're love crazy and they're just chilling. But it's like a balance. Definitely like a balance. Definitely. Alright. So how does this person feel? This person feels like they want to be honest with you. They want to talk to you. And I feel like the truth for them is that their heart's blocked off. Like, they're so used to being alone, they feel like they can do it on their own. Yeah, like, it's just not really necessary in their mind. It's not really necessary to let somebody in and be that close. It's kind of easier to keep people off of you. But they realize that, like, they can't be like that if they want, you know, their wish granted. They have to open up. Let's see. Definitely have to open up. There's some challenges going on between you guys. Some challenges going on for Gemini 2020, January 2020. Honestly, I feel like the truth is you both still have some lessons to learn. You both still have some past trauma that you need to let go of. Yeah, you're both very caught up in the past. You've been hurt before, so you're kind of avoidant of new emotion. So whenever it starts feeling like, oh, like we're about to get real close, I feel like you both withdraw. That's because you haven't moved on from something that happened in your past. In order to bring something new into your future, you have to move on from your past. Alright, what's the most likely outcome for Gemini? January 2020, most likely outcome, Gemini, January 2020. Oh, if you guys are ever wondering, I'm looking at my notes, so I can just keep track of where I'm at, what I'm doing. Most likely outcome. Walking away from things that don't serve you. And being able to open up and be honest about the details of your life so that you're able to move forward. Because you know that you could stay closed off, and right now is like, it wouldn't be a terrible thing. You're still in a place in your life where like self-care is important. You know, that's always important, but like you could grow and you would be okay single. I think you realize that you want to be with somebody. You want to move forward. For some of you, I do feel like there are some of you who realize that you just don't want to move into another relationship right now. You don't want to move into something that's serious. You realize like you have to talk about it. And that sucks, but you know that like being honest and like these details of like how you're feeling, why you're feeling that way, and like what you need to do for yourself are better for you and your chances to move forward and move ahead in life. Alright, you guys. I'm sorry for my voice. Sorry for the sniffing. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm definitely sick as hell. I really hope that you liked this video. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of that good junk. And I will see you next month.